Olha o barulhinho.
A cachoeira tá aí.
Se molhar, será que eu não tava vendo? Ei, molhou. Caiu em cima. Até começou a se preocupar. Começou a guardar o cabelo.
Dá sinais de preocupação. Inquietação.
Olha lá, eita. Eu fiquei preocupada. Maria não pode.
Maria, senta pra frente, quieta.
Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder. It's Captain Jack Sparrow. Get up your white flag, you scurvy scum.
Well, Captain Jack Sparrow, speak up, or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Anchor now, you smutties. What may I offer for these hearties? Everyone an egg. Not lest they be laying golden eggs. There, you little twat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boy?
Hey, watch their eyes. Now, you scurvy skunk. Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10. The key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears tell 'tis only me what's got the goods. Keep still. I'm studying me map. It's the treasure map for sure and no mistake. You're very thunder. Not scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow. Stand steady. Yeah, that's it. See the cables running in. It's just what things are running out. Not them blasted lovers.